Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro, and you are on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout, no trade recommendations because it's just a trade journal. We'll talk about price action, imbalances, balances, draws on liquidity, order flow levels, because this is price action and order flow levels for Monday, May 1st, 2023, and we're into Europe Globex here, and we're going to go to the charts now, so let's get to it. The weekly chart on the MES micro left, MES 24-hour chart on the right. So what you can see here last week, this big candle range propulsion going below the weekly fair value gap, and this red line marks the bottom, and then we bounce and we just propel all the way up here. And now we've got May 1st, new week, new month, new day, and we've got a new week open gap for May here, and we're just stuck consolidation. Looking for the buy side liquidity level right around 4,200 and below, and the targeted one you can see from February is up here in the yellow rectangle. 24-hour, same thing. You can see here, this is the new week open gap, buy side liquidity up here, fair value gap being created. We'll see if we get any retracement down, but again, this is more consolidation, and we'll look on the smaller time frame to confirm that. And just, I've got here real faint in gold, upper Bollinger Band, 42.1275. But the real number to correspond to this weekly level, again, 42.31 by 42, call it 21. That's up here on the high. So we've got a lot on the docket with economic news, earning news, the Fed being the biggest, and Apple earnings, and then non-farm payroll. Those are the big three this week. Let's go to the smaller time frame. Okay, 4-hour chart before we get to the 15-minute, because I wanted to note the consolidation we've got here so far, May 1st, with the new week open gap. So the fair value gap below here on the previous new week open gap, in the top of that is 41.71, and the low is 57.50. I don't know if that's going to hit Monday, but that could definitely be a factor later in the week. So just the main thing here is we're in Europe Globex, and it is consolidated. It is not expanding. It's not reversing. It's not retracing. It's consolidated. So with that, let's go to the next chart. So my journal thoughts on the 15-minute bellwether really tell the story. And basically, it's don't press buttons now. And so I'm going to wait for the 8:30 open, hour before RTH, see what we do on that. Then again, if nothing, I'll try again at 10. But basically, my issue is we had this expansion move last Friday, last calendar day of April. And if we're going to do anything on a reversal or retracement, I don't think reversal, but if retracement on Monday is going to happen, first we've got the 81, then we've got to conquer the new week open gap at 72. Then maybe we got something cooking, but I doubt that. And the reason is the first of the month. And that is, again, where a lot of shorts for people that fade, unless you're really nimble and quick in doing the precise time of day and are very conservative on what your expectation is, you're going to get burned because it's generally an up day. Every time it's the first of the month, it's institutional buying because they have to. So with that said, again, high resistance to get down. We already had a low resistance expansion, and we had this pivot up here, pivot high so far for the first of the month, 4196.75. So I'm going to wrap it here. There's nothing to note on the Renko because we haven't hit a blue Keltner up or below yet. So that wraps it. I'm just going to be in wait mode. If I don't trade at all on Monday, that's perfectly fine unless my model triggers, and then it's got to be the perfect time of day. Otherwise, I'm completely okay waiting for Tuesday. So that's all I've got. You take care. Aloha, and thanks for watching. Bye.